G.Jayasudha from Computer Science Department. Today we are going to learn about control statements in Java. In all the program, each and every line is called as a statement. Control statements in the sense which statements are used to control the flow of the execution, those are called as a control statements. So simply we can say the control statements are used to control the flow of the execution of a program. So every program can be executed. That execution can be started from beginning of the main function to end of the main function. Line by line it will be executed. But few statements only used for to change the order of the execution. Those are called as the control statements. Like that, in control statements can be classified into three types in Java. That is selection statement, iteration statement and jump statement. So now we just learn about control statements. So this diagram can be easily identified. What are the statements available in Java as a control statement? So the control statements can be classified into three types: selection, iteration and jump statement. That selection statement also classified into two types, that is different types of if statement and switch case statement. Like that, the iteration statement also classified into three types, that is while loop, do while loop and for loop. Like that, the jump statements are break and continue. So today we are going to learn about only selection statements in Java. So that selection statements are also called as a decision making statement. That is, so here we have to given one condition. That condition may be a Boolean expression. Boolean expression in the sense the output of the Boolean expression may be true or false. So we have given one condition. Based on that output, we have to choose any one of the statement that will be executed. So the selection statement also classified into two types, that is different types of if statement and switch statement. So here we just learn about Java if statement. So the Java if statements are used to test the condition. Based on that condition output, we are going to execute any one part of the if statement. So here the if statement can also classified into four types, that is simple if statement, if else statement, nested if else statement and else if later. So first we just learn about simple if statement. So simple if statement in the sense we have to given only one condition and also only one set of coding. So if that condition is true, the set of statement will be executed. Suppose that condition will be false in the sense, immediately the if statement will be terminated. So how the syntax will be executed, which is also easily identified by the flowchart. That is, we have to enter into the condition. If condition, if that condition is true in the sense, the set of statement will be executed and continuously we can execute the remaining statement. Suppose the condition will be false in the sense, the set of coding will be doesn't executed. So immediately the if statement will be terminated. Okay, so this is the process of simple if statement and then flowchart. Now we just see about a simple example for this simple if statement. So this is the Java coding for a simple if statement. You just look at the main function of a if statement. In that main function, I have declared only one variable, that is a integer data type variable. The variable name equal to age. That age is now assigned the value for 20. So I have declared only one variable. That variable name is age, and also I have assigned the value 20. So age equal to 20. Now I have to apply that variable to the simple if condition. We have to check if age greater than 18. Already we have assigned the value 20, but I am going to check if that age greater than 18. Condition will be true. So when the condition is true, now the statement will be printed. System.out.print age is greater than 18. If the condition is true in the sense, this statement will be printed on your output screen. So what is the output of this simple program? Age is greater than 18. Okay. Next, we just learn about if else statement. If else statement, that means we have given one condition. If the condition is true in the sense one set of statement will be executed. Suppose that condition is false in the sense the else part will be executed. That is the basic definition of a simple if-else statement. The syntax is if condition. If the condition is true in the sense true block will be executed. Suppose the condition is false in the sense else part only executed. There is a flowchart. Condition true means true block coding will be executed and we have to move to the remaining statement. Suppose that condition is false in the sense also the false statement will be executed, then move to the next line. Okay, so this is the process of simple if-else statement. And there is an example for simple if-else statement. Here we have to identify whether a given number is odd number or even number. So we know very well about odd number in the sense 1, 3, 5, 7. Even number means 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. So now I have to identify a given number is whether odd number or even number by using if-else statement. So here in this main function I have declared only one variable, that is integer data type. The variable name equal to number. I have assigned the value equal to 13, that is number equal to 13. And we have given a condition number modulus 2. That percentage symbol is one of the operator. That operator is a modulus operator. So what is the difference between division operator and modulus operator in the sense 10 divided by 2 in the sense division symbol in the sense what are the quotient, that is the answer for the output of a division operator. The modulus in the sense what is the remaining, that is the output of a modulus operator. About 13 divided by 2 in the sense your answer will be a 5. Suppose the 13 modulus 2 in the sense 6 2s are 12, remaining 1. So the 1 will be the output of the modulus operator. Now I have to check 13 modulus 2 equal to 0. So 13 modulus is 1 equal to 0. Now the condition is false. So when the condition is false, the else part will be executed. That is 13 is a odd number. That will be displayed on your output screen. Nice. We are going to learn about nested if-else statement. Nested in the sense one if statement may occur in another if statement is called nested if-else statement. So look at the example. There is a one if condition is available. If that condition is true in the sense we can move to the next if condition. That is one if condition may occur in another if condition is called nested if-else statement. So there is a flowchart for a nested if-else statement is first test condition. First condition is available. If that condition is true in the sense we can move to the second condition. Again, if that second condition will be true in the sense the true block will be executed. Suppose the second condition is false in the sense else part will be executed. Suppose the first condition will be false in the sense the else part of a first condition block will be executed. So after the execution the nested if-else statement will be terminated. So there is an example for nested if-else statement is, now I have declared two integer variable, that is x equal to 30 and y equal to 10. So first I have to check if x equal to 30. So already we have stored x equal to 30. Also I am going to check the condition x equal to 30. So condition is true. Now we have to move into the second if condition. So if y equal to 10. Again the condition will be true. So the statement will be printed system.out.print x equal to 30 and y equal to 10. That statement will be printed on your output screen. And next one is the else if ladder. Else if ladder in the sense we have given a multiple if condition. At the same time only one set of condition will be true and also we have to execute the statement of the corresponding if statement. So here there is a multiple conditions available. Condition 1, condition 2 up to we can given a condition number n. So which condition is true, based on that set of statement can be executed in a else if ladder. So that is the syntax and simply we can easily identify how does it work. So first condition is true in the sense the statement 1 will be executed and immediately the statement will be terminated. Suppose the first condition is false in the sense we have to check the second condition. If that second condition is true in the sense second statement will be executed. Suppose the second condition is false in the sense we have to move to the next condition. So this is the process of a nested else if ladder. Let's see the example of if else ladder. So here we have to given only one integer variable, that is marks equal to 65. I have assigned the value 65 to the variable marks. Now we have to check the first condition is if marks less than 50. We have given the value is a 65, but our first condition is if marks less than 50. So the condition is false. So we have to move to the next condition. In the next condition we have to check if marks greater than or equal to 50 and the AND symbol is a logical AND operator. This symbol is used for when both conditions are true in the sense your output will be true. So your first condition is marks greater than or equal to 50. Condition is true, and the second condition is marks less than 60. But our value is 65. Marks less than 60 in the sense the second condition is false. So the second if condition will be false. So we have to move to the next if condition. In this condition, marks greater than or equal to 60. Condition is true, and marks less than 70. Also that condition is true. So when both conditions are true in the sense now only the logical AND operator will be given the value is true. So here the third condition is true. So your output will be C grade. So whenever which condition is true, based on that output statement only displayed on your output screen. So C grade will be displayed in your monitor. And last one is a switch statement. So this switch statement also looking like a else if ladder. So in that else if ladder we have given a multiple conditions. Based on that condition, only one set of statement will be executed. In this switch case statement, here also we have to given the multiple cases. At the same time, only one case will be matched to that particular variable, and which case value is matched based on that statement can be evaluated. So that is the process of switch statement. So the example of flowchart of a switch statement is we have to given one expression. If that expression is matched with the case 1 in the sense the first statement only executed and immediately the switch block will be terminated. Suppose the case value is doesn't match in the sense we have to move to the second case. So if this case is matched to that expression in the sense the second statement only evaluated. Okay, so this is the process of a switch statement. An example for a switch case statement is I have given a variable number equal to 20. That is our expression number equal to 20. So switch number we have to match with the case. If case equal to 10, we have given an expression number equal to 20. So the first case is doesn't match. So we have to move to the second case 20. So our number value also 20. So the second case will be matched. So what is the output will be displayed? 20. So break in the sense which is a jump statement. Immediately this process going to stop and we can move to the next line of the execution. So today we have learned about what are the statements available as a control statement in Java. I hope you have understood all the concept and examples of this control statement. See you later with a new topic. Thank you.